Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. A versus N. Use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples: a cat, a lemon, a doctor. Use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an eye, an actor. A versus N. Animals. Alligator, an alligator. Dog, a dog. Elephant, an elephant. Fish, a fish. Lion, a lion. Monkey, a monkey. Octopus, an octopus. Ostrich, an ostrich. A versus N. Fruits. Apricot, an apricot. Apple, an apple. Avocado, an avocado. Banana, a banana. Cherry, a cherry. Kiwi, a kiwi. Lemon, a lemon. Orange, an orange. A versus N. Body parts. Arm, an arm. Ear, an ear. Eye, an eye. Elbow, an elbow. Head, a head. Leg, a leg. Mouth, a mouth. Nose, a nose. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.